Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Caitlin, and this is where I teach you everything I know about sewing and we learn more together along the way. Today I'm sharing what I made in November. I realize it is Christmas. Actually, it's the solstice today. Happy solstice. So this is coming to you quite late, but it is what it is. Let's get into it. If you saw my last video, you've seen these first two makes, and I showed footage of me in it and everything like that, but I didn't go into detail about the kind of the ins and outs of the items. So they are two pairs of minimalist Dawn jeans. I did a video on muslin fitting, and that's why you've seen these already. But this is the first real pair I made, and it was a size 16 that I then like adjusted down. So it's kind of like a 14, and then I put a 12 waistband on it, which is tight, but I still wear them. I did have to stretch quite a bit to get the back to fit. Going forward, I just make a size 14 and it seems to fit me quite well. This is the straight leg pair. I think this is my preferred cut of pants. I really like the way it fits. They ended up cropped because I took 3.5 inches out of the thigh and then cut at the regular cut pant length, but that made them cropped. So I should have cut at the longer cut length. I made these in bold denim, this nice pine colored bold denim. I think I got this from upcycle. I will confirm that, but I think it was upcycle eons ago. So they're dead stock. And I did the inners with this. Actually, it's an upcycled cotton sheet. I have a Seamwork Natalie camp shirt out of this fabric, but that's fun. I really like that. And the inside of the pockets as well. Pocket bag. Alright, that's better way to see it. And then, of course, just a zipper and a button there. And I think that's really all to say about it. The belt loops, I used the selvage of the denim, so they're like ribbed. I'll show you some close-up shots of that. But yeah, overall they turned out really nice, other than they're just a little bit big in the hips. So going forward, obviously I need to do some work on that. But top stitching turned out really nice, and from a technical standpoint, they are a beautiful pair of pants. And I ended up leaving the hem raw on these, and I just love the way that fringe looks. Super cute. I might end up cutting them a little shorter so they look more intentionally cropped, even though that's not, I mean, is it great on short legs? I don't know, but I like them. So then the next pair I made was a faux leather pair. So you have a thread to cut off still. And again, technically they turned out beautiful. I did, again, the zipper fly on this one, but I did a snap just because it was quicker. And I used this fun custom cotton from Fabric Snob for the inside. And I did the back pockets. This was the straight size 14 wide leg. I ended up taking out a lot of bulk from the outseam. I think going forward I would only make the wide leg if it was like a nice flowy fabric again, just on my body. The really stiff fabric, well, let's be honest, these looked like chaps when I put them on. And yeah, I don't know if I'm just self-conscious of the faux leather or what, but yeah, I don't wear them as much as I thought I would. And I think if I would have done the straight leg, I would wear them more, and I can obviously still go back and adjust that. Because of the issue I had with the green pair being too short, I did cut these at the full or the long, tall cut length, and then I just took off what I needed to hem it to make them full length, and they're too short. They were too short with the hem. I think maybe just the bulk of it, or I don't know what happened. But so I cut the hem, or I seam ripped the hem out, and now it's just raw right now. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. They're okay. I do wear them like this, but they're not finished, and I don't like that. So I don't know if I should add like a fringe of denim to the bottom. I have some fun crochet trims I could add to the bottom. I'm really not sure. You guys can let me know in the comments what you think I should do with those. So these were just the straight size 14, and yeah, they fit really nice. And I'm excited to make a pair in 14 just like denim, and I actually started making them and then I realized I didn't have enough fabric for what I was doing. So I have to see, I have another cut of denim. If that's gonna be enough fabric, then I will do a regular pair of jeans, because that's what I needed for like a year, and I still haven't made myself a regular pair of jeans because I technically don't have a good wear pair of jeans. And then I made my daughter this dress, and this was a pattern and fabric that she chose herself. So it has this stand-up square collar. It's kind of split in the center. She liked that, she wanted that. And then the back has a zipper and a hook and eye closure. She wanted these sleeves with the ruffles. They look really cute on her. And then it's a, probably like a quarter circle skirt, I guess it would be. And yeah, we picked this, she picked this light shirting type fabric. I don't know what you would call it, kind of a, I don't know, it's not really a seersucker, but it does have some extra stitching in there going across. It's very unique, and I don't think it's fully cotton. I think there's probably some polyester in there because it doesn't really wrinkle. But we had some events to go to. Actually, we're going to the ballet tomorrow, and we had some other musicals to go to. So she did wear this a couple times and to a birthday party and things like that. So she really enjoys this. I love this fabric, but I think it's too cool for my personal skin tone. So I mean, it goes to good use with her. And the pattern from this was Vintage Simplicity 7969. We did view 1, so it has the high neck and the long sleeve. And yeah, it went together pretty simply. Love using a vintage pattern. It's always so much fun. And that's everything I made in the month of November. I know, it seemed like I was sewing a lot more than I have been, which is great. I'm back at the machines. I've made one thing, almost 2 things now in December, and I have a couple more Christmas gifts that, crossing my fingers, the fabric shows up this week so I can get them done by Sunday. Y'all feel me, right? I won some fabric with Minerva, so I'm using that towards these gifts, and it's just not in yet. So we'll see if it shows up. If not, well, backup gifts, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I am glad that you took time out of your day to spend it with me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your winter solstice or summer solstice if you are in the southern hemisphere. We are definitely experiencing winter here. We have, I don't know, 2 feet of snow outside, getting down to about -35 at night Celsius, and it is fully winter, and I am fully here for it because it is my favorite season. Lots of skiing, skating, snow fun, and crisp air, and beautiful, beautiful night skies. So definitely enjoying winter here. And leave me a comment down below if you are a winter person or a summer person, or if you just enjoy every day of life like I try to. That being said, Christmas is around the corner. If you do celebrate Christmas or any of these other winter holidays, I do wish you a very happy holiday season. Thanks so much for sticking around. I hope you hit that thumbs up and subscribe buttons so I can see you in the next video. Bye!